He's in the bedroom. Go give it to Daddy. Don't open it. Don't open it. Just give it to Daddy. Close it. Close it. Okay, open it. Open the door.
Hey, getting dressed here.
Mine. Mine?
Get in there, turn on.
Okay, I'll just read it. What were you gonna say to Daddy, Chloe?
Papa?
Say I love you, Daddy. Say I love you, Daddy. Read it out loud, Tonka.
Who is it?
She did.
I can't even write it. Chloe loves you. In all special ways to take care of me. That's just my sleep. That's how it's
Big hug. Big hug. Say happy birthday, Daddy. Give him a hug, Chloe. Tell him there's a pillow in between us.
Okay.
Sorry.
Okay.
Give Daddy a kissy. Chloe, give Daddy a big kissy. Say Happy Father's Day. Chloe, Happy Father's Day. Chloe, say Happy Father's Day. Like, I don't think so.
Turn the camera off out there.
Go tell Grandpa Happy Father's Day.
Me?
I think he's gonna try to go give it to your dad now.
Who's Grandpa?
It's yours. Chloe, 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 he's in here. Chloe.
Read that.
She just handed it to him. She stole it from her daddy and gave it to you.
What?
She stole it from Santos and tried to give it to you.
Nice.
Is it for Daddy?
Yeah.
Oh, he wasn't playing.
Yeah.
Oh. Thank you. Thank you. Alright. Thank you. Grandpa. Give me a kiss. Thank you. Give me a kiss. Give me a hug.
Kiss me.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you. Now get dressed. Go to church. Okay? Put it up.
Go
Good
give it to
job.
Daddy now.
Give back to Daddy.
You want to Daddy too.